Finally, I'm free of her. It's not even that bad, really. Having my photo taken, 3 square meals a day. You're probably wondering how I got here. All started 5 years ago when I met her. Well, she met me. Love of her life.
Facelift.
Turns out she was a fucking psycho. Total nutter. Followed me around from morning till night, always nagging and nagging and nagging. I had to get away. So I went the one place she couldn't follow. Prison.
Face right.
Looking back on it, shoplifting apples was probably a bad idea. They caught me, took me back to the shop and lectured me for an hour. It was the most embarrassing moment of my life. Well, they didn't arrest me. They just made me pick up the apples and let me go. It's really cold. So I had to try something else. I did what they do in the movies. I picked a fight. She still sends me letters every fucking day. I just send them straight back. Well, I'd still rather be in here than out there with her. So you're probably wondering how I finally ended up in here. Well, I did something serious. So, my plan worked, and I've really enjoyed being here. But there's a problem. They're letting me out 4 months early for good behaviour, and my release date's tomorrow, and I just know she's going to be waiting there. So I've got to do something. Please forgive me for what I'm about to do. Free.